my god.
That was fun.
Thank you, Jen.
Yeah,
Wow.
I don't know where she is.
Wow.
That was fun.
That was amazing.
That was really fun.
Oh my gosh, I think I got that. What was that?
A flying fish.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Oh.
They are very athletic.
Oh hey, I didn't see that. Time for the tour of my Airbnb. Here's the gate that you drive in when you come in. And then here's my car. It's working out pretty nice. 4-door and very roomy. Lots of room for my cameras and snorkel equipment and bags and stuff. And then here's the view. We're in Tiahura on Moorea Island. So yeah, mountains even just around the Airbnb. And then you go through here. And then you unlock this, which I already did. And then you walk through here. And then it comes with a complimentary kayak. So that's nice. Sometimes you'll see fish swim by in here. I haven't used the kayak yet, but I want to. And it leads directly to the ocean. So, pretty flowers. And it comes with a washing machine, which I didn't know that. And then nice chair setup. Some nice flowers. Good lagoon ambiance. Lots of palm trees everywhere too. Then you got the kitchen. It has lots of plates and cups and stuff. Fridge. Microwave. Utensils. Stove. So yeah, lots of stuff. On the bathroom. Nice shower. And then toilet. And then here's the bedroom. You can ignore the mess. I haven't been back since this morning, so I haven't cleaned it up. But yeah, that's the Airbnb. Today is October. What day is it? Let's see. October 23rd. So I've been here since the 20th at 4 a.m. And I fly out from Papichi Airport on the 26th. So we're halfway done with the trip already, sadly.
do.